Hey you, if you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make this cheesy broccoli rice and chicken. I seasoned my chicken with the Lowry's garlic and herb marinade. You do need to marinate it for at least 30 minutes before you throw that thing on the grill. I was giving the broccoli a little bit of a rough chop to cut out a little bit of the stalk. You don't have to do that, but for me, I just wanted to remove some of the stalk pieces. Now, with the rice, I accidentally bought the 5-minute rice, so I don't recommend it, but it was still good. I just prefer the texture of regular rice. I made my own chicken broth with the Knorr's chicken bouillon, but you can use chicken stock if that's what you prefer to use. You want to put enough liquid so that everything is covered. You want it swimming. You can always add some, a whole lot easier than you can take it away, so start off slow. I added in some onion powder and some garlic powder, and I let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Before all of your liquid gets absorbed, you want to go on in and hit it with the heavy cream. Give it a good stir and then simmer it for about another 5 minutes. Add you in about a cup of cheese, any kind of cheese that you like. You can even use pepper jack, that's good too. Stir it up and let it simmer for about another 5 minutes. I hit my chicken with some of that Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I mean, I'm just saying, for some instant rice, this thing was good. So good. Tomorrow, I'll be posting the meal plan preview for next week. Make sure you head over to Patreon and grab your download, get your groceries, and come back on Monday because we're going to be making what I call a sloppy jack and fried taters. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.